Good morning everyone, how are we doing? Hope you're well. Welcome to the video. Can you tell everybody what we're doing in the next 3 days?
We're having our first wild adventure for me. We've got a 3-day bikepacking trip up the east coast towards Whitby. We're aiming to Scarborough on the first day. We're going to go on the Cinder Track, which is the old railway between Scarborough and Whitby. Back down the track and across the Yorkshire Wells towards Pocklington. We've got 2 wild camping nights and then ride back to good old sunny Grimsby on the 3rd day. Jingle jingle.
So we're just out the other side of Barton, about to head over the Humber Bridge. Always a welcome sight. You're missing the view.
I'm not looking.
Tony's got a bit of vertigo on the Humber Bridge. I used to have that when I came up through the first few times. One of the better cycle lanes here in Hull. Oh, it doesn't look very scenic, does it? Covered in tarpaulin. Oh, I can smell burgers and sausages. Someone's having a barbecue in the middle of the city centre. They've started early, haven't they? So on the Hornsea Trail, part of the Transpennine Trail towards the east coast. The surface is evened out a little bit more now. It's more tarmacy. Sorry?
Have you ridden this before?
No, first time.
No.
First time, you?
No, I've never been on here.
No. I did the Transpennine Trail last year, but I didn't go anywhere past Gould. This is the other part. Yeah. A nice flat section.
Yeah.
So hoping to do a bit of wild camp at Hayburn Wyke. That's the plan anyway. It's kind of a waterfall and beach area. I'm just hoping there's some grass because I don't want to be setting up on cobbles. Kind of done the first off-road leg of the trip this Thursday afternoon, and that is to Hornsea. Right, see if we can find somewhere to eat. A shop. Let's get bearings. Just on the way into Bridlington. It's beautiful weather, it's really nice and warm and lovely. No, hardly any wind. And there's the North Sea over there. I've never seen this side of the North Sea. So I might just venture over there and have a look as we head down the East Yorkshire coast. Just stopped to look for a moment. It's beautiful, that. Yeah, look at that, beautiful. It's busy down there as well. Pause briefly at Flamborough Head. Try not to get too close to the edge. Last time here was May 2020, and yeah, lockdown. There was about 5 people here, if that. And I went to Scarborough all the way to Whitby. The whole town was a ghost town. They'd shut the main road through to cars. It was just people walking and on bikes and things. Absolutely stunning, that. Heading towards Filey now. I'm not sure why I didn't see that on the route, but yeah, that's where we're heading. Into Scarborough, have something to eat there, have something for tea, grab a few snacks and things to take down to wherever we're going to be wild camping this evening. Here we are, reached the county of North Yorkshire. So we're not too far from Scarborough now. We'll be joining the main road soon. Hopefully not for too long. Got ahead of Tony a little bit, so I'm just pulled in for a moment. Beautiful weather. Ellie, Ellie, Ellie! Arrived at a wild camping spot, Hayburn Wyke. Kind of camping up in there. I've left Tony just looking at his phone or what he's doing. Just going to take a walk down here. We're interested to know though if we can get down here and camp up anywhere. It's just gone 7:15, still bright like, so there's another couple hours of daylight at the very least. Beautiful spot, Tony. Good choice.
Oh,
What's it like?
bloody cold. Really cold.
Well, you wanted to do it.
I don't think we're going to be dipping in there.
No 5 AM dip in the morning then.
I don't think we'll be having a shower. Oh, cold.
So this is my spot, going to be down here. And this one is Tony's spot. And we've got a beautiful sound of the waterfall to be waking up to in the morning.
Having the front of your tent facing
Left to right.
towards me.
There's
This way.
There's 2 doors, I'm going to go left to right.
Now the strange thing with this tab is it's not rectangular, is it? It's got a point on it.
Tony has just admitted this is not like any YouTube tarp videos he's ever seen. It's a different tarp, isn't it? I'm sure we'll work it out. This is the bonus of having all this light and then getting it for 8 o'clock, because you've got 2 hours to put it up. So we're kind of improvising somewhat. I think that's probably what you'd say. I think I'll have a good night's sleep in here though. This is Tony's first wild camp. But look at inside there, should be fine once you've got everything in there. Sleeping bag, what have you? Be nice and cosy and warm. So what's this? Is this your power bank?
Yeah, but it's solar powered.
Yeah, I can't believe he said it's 50,000 amps.
Just what it said.
It's amazing that.
That's what it said.
Yeah. That's going to keep us going for like 2 weeks. So to take a quick look in the tent here, mine, and we'll have a bit of comparison. So I've been doing this for a while now, so summer for myself, this is only really what I find comfortable. So got a season 1 sleeping bag from Mountain Warehouse. This pad, it's from Climate. You see it's got gaps in it everywhere, and you put that in the sleeping bag, and just a makeshift pillow really, and that'll do me. Overnight though, I've got a skull cap I'll stick on, some arm warmers, which last week when I was out, my legs got cold and my arm warmers will actually fit my legs. And I got a jacket over there as well. Last week, my legs got cold and had some arm warmers. Amazingly, my arm warmers fit straight over my legs. And this is the tent, you've seen it many times on the channel, hopefully, if you've been watching for a while. It's from Nature Hike. It's called the Monga 2. Hello. And then here, first time wild camper, brought everything. Taught me through your sleep system tonight, Tony, what you got set up.
On a basic triangle tarp, but I've turned the back of the tarpaulin
Yeah.
underneath to create a floor for the sleeping bag.
You've got an emergency blanket underneath there as well.
Just to try and insulate a little bit.
Yeah.
I brought my own
You got
footprint from a tent.
Yeah.
To give me a little bit more of a protective
Bit more comfort,
area
yeah.
in the tent.
One of those sleeping pads in there.
Which is a Vango Trek.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Self-inflating sleeping pad.
He's not going to show you, but he's got a luxury sleeping pillow there. Look at that.
It's
Look
not
at
very
that.
luxurious.
And of course, got a sleeping bag as well. I think it's
Inside the
I think it's a season 3. Is that right, Tony?
No, it's only 2 seasons.
2, is it?
It's a lightweight one, but it doesn't pack down particularly small.
Yeah, I think it'll be more than
Keep me
fine.
warm.
It's a nice. It's getting towards summer, so we're going to get some food on in the moment. I think not from food, but some drinks on, maybe a few snacks or whatever.
Yeah,
And let's get to settle in for the evening.